Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul video. Fun news, it's 3 p.m. and it's already dark out. I'm just kidding. It's not 3 p.m. It is in fact 6:30 p.m. on Saturday, but it is already pitch black out. So I did not go to the store earlier today. Normally I try to go to the store on like Saturday or Sunday morning, but I was doing other stuff today, and so we just need like a few fill-in things this week. So I'm going to run into Hy-Vee and see what I can get. I know I need some produce. Kira is also having a friend over tonight, so they want some Pepsi and some pizza rolls. You know, important sleepover food. So I'm gonna grab that for them, but when I get home I will share with you guys what I got. So here is a look at everything that I got from Hy-Vee. It looks like more than it is because I have it spread out because I have a bunch of junk on my island right now, but I'll share with you what I got and then I'll show you the meal plan for this week. So I did get some green leaf lettuce for salads and some iceberg lettuce mostly for sandwiches and tacos if we have them. I also got, okay, hi. You're eating a ring pop. I also got some pears. This one got a little damaged on the way home, so I'll probably have to cut that up soon. I noticed definitely today that the fruit is in short supply. The fresh fruit is. It's mostly just apples and oranges and terrible looking cuties, and I got some grapes, but the berries are getting to the point where they're like $10 for 2 pounds, and I'm like, nope, not paying that. I got some grape tomatoes for salads, and then I also got some basil. I have some mozzarella cheese in the refrigerator, so I might cube that up and do like a caprese salad with these, or slice it up and do it with these slicing tomatoes. I'm not sure yet. I haven't finished my whole meal plan yet. I have a general idea of what I'm gonna make, but I am going to make some black bean burgers this week, and so I thought that I would get some tomatoes to slice and put on those. I got some eggs. They had eggs on sale for $1, which is a pretty decent price around here. Hy-Vee does tend to be a little bit more expensive, obviously, than Walmart or Aldi, but sometimes I just enjoy going there because it's a smaller grocery store. You can get in and out faster, and they have other like specialty items that Walmart doesn't. I got some cinnamon applesauce. This will be for the kids' lunches for the week. I grabbed some bananas, and then the grapes were on sale. I believe they were $2.99 a pound, or maybe they were 99 cents a pound. I can't remember. They were on sale for a decent price, so I got some of those. For lunch meat this week, I got some of the Deluso honey mesquite turkey breast. We like that kind. And then my Aldi has not had their turkey sausage sticks in stock. God, that's a tongue twister. And I really like those for like a quick snack for the kids, like after school or before swim practice, or even to cut up and put in their lunches. But they like I said, they have not had them, and so I sprung for these at Hy-Vee. They're a lot more expensive, but we do like them. It's the old Wisconsin brand. Adam likes to have Little Smokies a lot when he watches football, and tomorrow the Chiefs are playing, I think, at noon. So I went ahead and got 2 packages of the beef Little Smokies, so I'll just put these in my little crock pot. I do barbecue sauce and then a little bit of grape jelly. It makes a really good sauce if you slow cook it together with the Smokies. I can't talk. They had the Chobani flips 10 for $10, so $1 each, which is a pretty good deal. The kids have been taking these in their lunches, and then they have also been having them as an after school snack. Now that they're back in swim, they seem to have a lot bigger appetite, obviously swimming an hour or 2 a day. So I got 6 different ones. This one is the Peppermint Perfection, the S'mores. I think we've had, I know we've had the s'mores one before, but I don't know if we've had the peppermint one. Red velvet cupcake and cookie dough, and then key lime and a lemon meringue pie. So got those. And then they had block cheese on sale, so I got some pepper jack, and then I also just got some sharp cheddar cheese in case we need it for like snacking or shred it for something. They also had pre-sliced pepperoni at the deli, which I thought was good, so I got some of the Deluso sliced pepperoni. There's not too much in here, but we do have a little bit of pepperoni left over that I got at Aldi. this week. I got a ½ gallon of whole milk just for cereal and cooking, and then a ½ gallon of chocolate milk for the kids for breakfast tomorrow. I also got some whipped cream. Kira actually asked for this because we have ice cream in the freezer, and I thought they were going to have an ice cream sundae, but they went back upstairs, so I don't know what the plan is for that. I got a can of cream of potato soup. I like having this on hand just for a quick lunch for myself. I love potato soup, and obviously this is a lot quicker than than making it homemade. And then I also got Adam a can of soup for this week for lunch. This is the chicken with white and wild rice. I saw that they had these Townhouse Christmas shaped crackers, so I went ahead and grabbed those. They obviously don't expire for a while, and I like to grab stuff like this when I see it in preparation for holiday cooking, because a lot of times stuff like this seems to sell out. Okay, I got Adam some Braunschweiger. He likes this on sandwiches. I'm like, huh, but anyway, he likes it. So this kind is convenient because it is already sliced, so you don't have to slice it and make a mess out of it. So it's really convenient. He likes this on bread with lettuce. I do not, so he can have it all. Kira asked for some sharp cheddar cheese sticks, so I got the Cracker Barrel ones. And then I am going to make a few freezer meals that call for shredded mozzarella cheese. So I went ahead and grabbed the 4-cup bag of the pre-shredded. And then I got some Nutri-Grain bars last week, or actually it was the Aldi brand for the kids. And they like them. They take them in their bag for snacks. Adam's laughing. They take them in their bag for snacks for work, or they have them as a quick snack before swim. So I grabbed another box of these. I also got some buttermilk waffles. We haven't had these in the freezer for a while, and that's always a quick breakfast idea, so grab those. Okay, so I have not seen these in my stores. I guess these were a thing in the 80s and 90s. I don't know, because growing up, we never had stuff like this at home. I assume it was just too expensive. But yeah, I guess Dunkaroos were a thing. Adam said he remembers having them when he was a kid, and the little crackers were shaped like kangaroos. So I don't know, but I just saw them and I thought it was fun. So I went ahead and grabbed a box of them. This isn't like something I would probably buy every week, because it's basically just cookies and frosting. But I thought it would be fun for the kids to try that. And I'll probably try some too, because I don't know that I've ever had these. Okay, ranch dressing, we were all out of that, and we like to have this on hand in the fridge for quick salads and stuff. I also got some of these Smithfield fully cooked pork sausage patties. I thought I would maybe do some breakfast sandwiches for meal prep this week, like sausage, egg, and cheese. I have some English muffins in the freezer, so I thought those would be good. I saw this Stouffer's mac and cheese, and I love this stuff, so I thought this would be good for a quick lunch for me. The kids don't really like this kind of mac and cheese, but they did ask for Kraft mac and cheese, so I went ahead and grabbed a few boxes of that. I think they have these at Starbucks, although I've never had them before. But these are the Bantam bagels. These were in the freezer section, and they're a little bit pricey, but I thought I would just try them because I've always seen them and thought they looked good. So you guys will have to let me know if you've tried these before and if you like them. They had a couple different flavors, but I got the everything bagel flavor. So it looks like you just defrost them in the refrigerator and then put them in the toaster oven or the regular oven and kind of crisp up the outside. So those look delicious. I got one of my favorite frozen dinners, which is the Amy's cheese enchilada. I got some frozen veggies for dinner this week, lima beans and frozen green beans. And then I've been having smoothies for breakfast. I ran out of frozen berries that I had in the freezer, so I got another bag of these. This is just the unsweetened berry medley. It has blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. I got some croutons because we have been doing salad a lot for a side for dinner, and I needed more of those. Okay, so I saw this doggy advent calendar, and I thought it would be fun to get this for Murphy. It's the Dream Bone brand, and you can see on the back the little treats that it has in there. So anyway, it was only 15 bucks. I thought that would be fun for him. One of you guys told me on Instagram I should have gotten the one from Aldi, which I got myself the cheese advent calendar from Aldi, but they did not have the dog and cat ones when I was there. Okay, for drinks, I got a box of Capri Sun for the kids to take in their lunches. This is the Roaring Waters Wild Cherry Waterfall flavor. We needed more soda, so I got a Diet Sprite and a Diet Cherry Coke Zero. Adam needed more body wash, so I just got him some of the Irish Spring. I got some wheat buns. I have some turkey burgers in the freezer that we could use these for, and then also I said I was going to make those black bean burgers, so that would be good for that. This was an impulse buy for myself. I love coffee cake, and I should probably just make some at home, obviously. But I saw someone haul these, and they said they were really good, so I thought we would try them. They were on sale for like $2.99, I think. So I got a box of these. Probably not the healthiest thing, but sometimes I'll eat one of these for breakfast with a coffee on my way to work when I'm in a rush. The girls asked for Doritos nacho cheese. They also asked for cheddar sun chips, which they already stole the bag and took upstairs, so I got that also. And then they asked for some soda. I never buy regular soda, like ever. I always just buy diet. And they wanted regular Pepsi and Mountain Dew, so I thought I would treat them to some tiny little cans of that. So that's everything that I got. I still have, I can show you guys, I still have quite a bit of produce left over from last week. I've got tomatoes in here, peppers, I've got fresh herbs, green onions, I've got some broccoli in here, some snap peas. I think I have a few, oh yeah, I have some lettuce left over. I've got a few salads in here. So I do have quite a bit of produce on hand. That's why I obviously didn't get a lot at the store. And then I have this over here that I got from Imperfect. So I've got apples, a few pears, oranges, some bananas, a butternut squash, a pineapple. So we should be good to go on produce this week. But, you know, I don't want people thinking that I don't feed my family produce, because you know what they say about assuming fruit, vegetables. All right, so I finished the meal plan, and here is what we are having this week. So Sunday we are going to do a new recipe for cranberry chicken, and I got this from Taste of Home, so I can link that recipe down below, and I'll make some rice to go with that and the frozen green beans, and then I do have some bread out in the garage refrigerator that I'll probably heat up. Monday, I'm planning on doing fish tacos. I have one of those McCormick cilantro lime marinade packets, and I have tortillas, and I have cod in the freezer, and I'm sure we will have enough things to go with that. So that's what we're going to do that day, along with refried beans and chips. Tuesday, I'm planning to do a chicken and Swiss stuffing bake. So that's a new recipe that I'm trying also. It's similar to something that I've tried before, so not totally new. And then Wednesday, I actually have a Green Chef meal left over from the box that I did for a sponsored video with them, and I have 4 servings. It's shepherd's pie, so I'm gonna make that. And then, whoops, that's okay, salad and crescent rolls. And then lasagna casserole on Thursday with salad and garlic bread. And then Friday we always go out or have pizza. All right, so that is gonna wrap it up for this week's grocery haul and meal plan. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.